Your Honor, those observations were in direct response to the decision by the Court of Appeal to read Order 60 in a particular way as amending the Constitution. Your Honor, Article 8 of the Constitution also speaks to that. What Article 8 says, Your Honor, is that in any event, even if a subsidiary legislation or another piece of legislation comes into conflict with the Constitution, it will be void to the extent of its inconsistency, not void ab initio, but void to the extent of its inconsistency. And Your Honor, it is this time honored principle which the Apex Court was simply endorsing. I wish to make a further point, Your Honor. GECOM at no stage intended or set out to usurp, trample, trespass, or somehow take upon itself the clear provisions of Article 163 of the Constitution. That was never the intention of Order 60. Order 60, the purpose, the aim of Order 60 was simply to produce a final credible count of the votes of the March 2020 elections. How was that to be done? That was to be done in a clear, transparent manner with all stakeholders present, with live streaming. Your Honor, a reading of David's judgment in the Apex Court shows clearly that Order 60 was endorsed by our highest court. The court references the procedure outlined in Order 60. And why that was necessary? That was necessary, Your Honor, because there were difficulties, there were controversies which visited the electoral process. And what the law says must happen. The very Constitution that my dear friend is relying on, 162.1 states clearly what GECOM must do when these issues arise. And it is out of that, Your Honor, that Section 22, therefore, becomes relevant. So GECOM, all GECOM did, Your Honor, was allow, or by virtue of Order 60, allow a credible recount of the votes to be done. GECOM did not invalidate any vote. GECOM doesn't have the capacity to do so. That is why we have the clear, exclusive jurisdiction of the High Court, Your Honor, to deal with those issues.